Handy Hudsonite here, and I am in our main bath on our upper level of our house, and I wanted to show you something that has saved me an immense amount of time when it comes to keeping our drains clear. Now be sure to watch how I clear drains when they do get clogged with this special tool, and be sure to watch how I do that in a matter of a couple of minutes. And it's better than using an auger or a snake, if you want to call it that, and other tools that I've used. And it's just very quick and easy to use this tool. Now, when it comes to keeping drains clear, being more the preventative aspect of keeping the drains clear, what I like to use is a particular thing that goes over the drain that keeps the hair and the gunk out of the drain. And I remember I used to have to clean out this particular sink drain every 2 months. I've got some kids with long hair, and so the hair is just always clogging this smaller drain. So what I've used here, this wire mesh. This wire mesh goes right down in the drain. Now, with our particular drain, I finally just took the drain plug out, or the stopper, because it just didn't do anything, and it was always getting in the way and it drained slower. So I took that out, and I bought these at the local hardware store. They're very inexpensive, and they come in different sizes. I actually have one in our tub downstairs that's also just been extremely helpful. Now, you do have to clean it out from time to time from what builds up in it, but a very simple invention, but it's something that has saved me so much hassle from having to take the pipes apart or trying to use different tools on this to clear it. And even though I do have a great tool to use on it, I don't want to have to do it if I don't need to. Just wanted to let you guys know about this particular tool, and how this thing has just saved me so much heartache, and the sinks around our house where there tends to be a lot of hair and other things going down them. So please subscribe to my channel, The Handy Hudsonite, where I give you tips, hacks, and reviews like this one so that you can get the job done. And be sure to hit the notification bell so that you can get up-to-date content when I put it up. And I will look forward to seeing you in the next video.